Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from WG Mica Paint and Hardware, Komani, in the Eastern Cape.
WG Mica was established in 1996 by Wally and Gail Ridgard. There's a number of staff who've been here from day one, so we've been an employee here for 29 years, so there's a wealth of experience and knowledge in the business.
We're serving a lot of customers, different customers, and the people here, we work hand in hand with everyone. We support each other. We are one team. That's what makes me proud of this store.
Our relationship with the customers, it's very rare and it's very beautiful. Our customers has become now our friends. My customers, they always, when they come here, having some smile, having some faith that they will be held with a full attention.
We've been dealing with Plascon since the beginning, so we all have an intimate knowledge of the product. And we stock the whole range of Plascon, so we can sell it with a confidence we know there won't be a failure.
What I love about the Plascon brand is it's easy to buy. It's not that big expensive. And what I love about Plascon, it's those wide ranges they do.
My favorite product is Micatex. It's an excellent textured paint, the best on the market in my opinion. Your customers come in here asking for the colors.
My DIY tip is create your dream, live your vision.
WG Mica, let us show you how.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.